little trick I've learned, or I've shared with people is go on Google Maps. Focus on your location, your house. Go on Google Maps and type in Python or JavaScript, or type in React Native or programming or something. People don't do that in Google Maps. They'll type in coffee shop or something like that. Type in Python in your Google Maps near your house, and you'll find a bunch of little organizations that you could reach out to, and just send a test resume, send a question, and then that'll help you inform that list. Look around your kitchen, look around your bathroom, turn all the products upside down and look at the company like Procter & Gamble. Go to their website, look in the careers page. Just build a list of companies that you're going to apply to, and that'll also help you to focus your resume.